In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant into Xero, and we'll go through this process in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Simply open your preferred web browser, head to the Xero login page, where you'll find the login button prominently displayed. Give that a click. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you input these details carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, click again on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. Now that you're logged in and on the dashboard, you'll notice your company name at the top of the interface. Go ahead and click on your company name, as this will allow you to access additional options relating to your business account. From the drop-down, you'll select Settings. The Settings area is where you manage your account details, including user permissions. Next, within the Settings menu, look for the option that says Users. Clicking here leads you to the part of Xero where you manage user access, which is exactly where we can add your accountant. In the user section, you'll spot an Invite a User button. This is what you'll want to click next. A form will pop up where you'll need to enter the first and last name of your accountant. Type those in accurately to ensure your invite reaches the right person. After that, find the field for the email address and enter your accountant's email. Double check this email address, as sending the invite to the wrong person could cause some confusion. With the identity details filled, you now need to decide on permissions. Xero allows you to select what your accountant can do within your account. Typically, you'll want to enable permissions that allow them to manage and review financial information. Consider the access level that best suits your business needs, be it basic viewing rights or more comprehensive access. There's also an option to personalize your invite with a message. It's not mandatory, but adding a personal note can provide clarity to your accountant about the nature of this invitation, and it might just be a nice personal touch. Once you've reviewed all the details, including permissions and your personalized message, the final step is simple. Click on Send Invite. The invitation will be dispatched to your accountant's email, where they can accept and gain access to manage your Xero account. And there you have it. Inviting your accountant into Xero is a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. With these steps, you're empowering your accountant to efficiently manage your financials while you continue to focus on running your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial